In today's video, we are comparing two RTX 4060 cards that could change your gaming setup forever. If you want to know the difference in the prices of these graphics cards, make sure to check the link in the description below. The MSI Ventus 2X Black brings a compact dual-fan solution with TORX Fan 4.0 technology that keeps things cool while running at a blazing 2,505 MHz extreme clock, whereas the Gigabyte Gaming OC counters with a more aggressive triple-fan WINDFORCE setup that allows for higher sustained boost clocks out of the box. And while MSI gives you 3 DisplayPort outputs alongside a single HDMI port, Gigabyte matches that connectivity but adds their signature RGB lighting on the side panel that many builders appreciate for themed rigs. Yet the MSI card stays understated with its blacked-out aesthetic, which appeals to minimalists who don't want rainbow distractions. The Ada Lovelace architecture powers both cards with 8 GB of GDDR6 memory over a 128-bit interface. But Gigabyte has pushed their 3rd generation RT cores and 4th generation Tensor Cores more aggressively for ray tracing performance that reportedly doubles previous generation speeds. While MSI focuses on efficiency and quieter operation under load, thanks to their refined fan curve algorithms that don't ramp up aggressively unless absolutely necessary. When you consider the digital maximum resolution, both support 7680 by 4320, so 8K gaming is theoretically possible on either card. Yet the Gigabyte card tends to maintain higher frame rates in DLSS 3 enabled titles because their factory tuning gives you that extra headroom, whereas the MSI card runs cooler and draws less power from your power supply, making it the better choice for smaller cases or systems with limited airflow. The build quality differences are apparent when you hold both cards, with Gigabyte's metal backplate feeling more premium and substantial, while MSI's plastic shroud keeps the weight down and makes installation easier in tight spaces. But neither card disappoints in terms of durability or longevity under normal gaming conditions. Looking at the overall package, the Gigabyte Gaming OC edges ahead with its superior cooling solution and higher performance ceiling, making it our top recommendation for gamers who want maximum frames and don't mind paying a bit extra for that triple fan advantage. While the MSI Ventus 2X remains a fantastic value-oriented choice for budget-conscious builders who still want RTX 4060 performance without the premium price tag. After comparing every feature from clock speeds to thermal design and connectivity options, I confidently choose the Gigabyte RTX 4060 Gaming OC as the better card overall, because that extra cooling headroom translates to real-world performance gains in demanding titles. And you will definitely want to check the link in our description below for the best available pricing on both cards before making your final decision.